Lesson 75 is a lot like what we've been working with. We worked on, decimals to fractions. Then we did fraction to decimal. Today we're going to go fraction and decimal to percent, right? Using this sign. We've talked about how percent really means something per 100. So we show it over 100. Now, 0.12, what is that fraction over 100? 12 hundredths. So with a decimal, all you really need to do is write that numerator. That's the percentage right there. 12%. Or basically what we do is we multiply by 100. We move that decimal over twice. So 8 hundredths is 8%. Just throws you a little bit of a loop when you have 8 tenths, right? That's this. So to add a 0 and make it hundredths, we add a 0 up here. So it's 80%. Okay? So if it's that easy to go from decimal to percent, and it's different from the book, my advice for doing a fraction into a percent is just turn it into a decimal the way we've learned. 3 divided by 10, and then turn that into a percent. 10 goes into 3 0 times, but 30 evenly 3 times. Then multiply by the 2 spots like we've learned. Okay, looks like I need a placeholder 0. If you followed that, then this is pretty quick to figure out as 3%. But if you didn't follow that, there's one more way, and this is the way the book shows. If it's per 100, 3 over 100 means 3%. But then if you've got 3 over 10, we have to get it over 100. So we can just go, well, what did we need to multiply by to get to 100? You multiply by 10. So we use the same constant up top. 3 times 10 is 30%. However you choose to do it, whether it's turning it into a decimal and then multiplying by 100 as to become a percent, or if it's using that constant factor there, practice turning some fractions into percents. Let's do BEG. And G is a little different, so you might have to use an example to help you, but I bet you can figure it out. And then let's try J and M. Just go down the middle line there. Good luck. Talk to me if you have questions.